All right, I've never done this before. You probably heard my knees pop. Ow. And we don't have a garage, so we don't need ventilation. So if you're doing this in a garage, turn a fan on or something. Apparently you want to keep this thing moving and on a low setting. But I'm gonna go for the high setting. Ooh, this is gonna take forever. Guys, I'm so hot. See the difference there and there? This looks pretty uniform, that looks pretty blotchy. It came out pretty well, I'd say, for a car that has 30-year-old plastic on it. This thing's been sitting in the sun for a while. If you want to watch more DIY videos, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Chickens! Alright guys, see you in the next video.